What if your Galaxy phone could anticipate your next move? What if it reacted like a smart companion instead of just a tool? In the shadows, Samsung is plotting an evolution that could change the way we interact with our devices. And today, you'll get the first full glimpse. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Insights, so that you can get notified on daily tech updates. Welcome back to Tech Insights. Today we're diving deep into what could be the boldest leap yet for Samsung's software ecosystem, One UI 9.0. We've heard hints, glimpsed firmware strings, and studied leaks. Now, we're piecing it all together into a picture that could reshape how your Galaxy feels, thinks, and responds. This isn't just a cosmetic refresh. It could be the beginning of a more intelligent, more adaptive future for your phone. From the start, it appears that Samsung isn't treating One UI 9 as a routine update. Developers inside the company may already be working on it. Even as One UI 8.5 is rolling out, early code snippets, hidden feature flags, and firmware traces suggest Samsung is laying the foundation for something far deeper than new wallpapers or icon tweaks. The heart of this transformation: contextual intelligence. Imagine your phone summarizing messages you haven't yet read, predicting which app you'll open next, or reorganizing your home screen on the fly to match your routine. Rumors point to a strengthened Galaxy AI engine that runs offline, no constant cloud latency, but faster inference, more privacy, and greater responsiveness. Visuals are up for a renaissance as well. Leaks hint at a design direction blending minimalism with translucency. Call it a glass light aesthetic. Expect smoother motion, refined blur effects, and dynamic color theming linked to ambient light or your active wallpaper. Imagine your UI subtly shifting its tones based on the time of day or your surroundings. Intuitive, alive, unobtrusive. But UI beauty is only one aspect. Customization in One UI 9.0 could reach new heights. The lock screen may allow repositionable clocks, widgets responsive to calendar context, and wallpaper gradients that evolve over hours. The notification shade and quick panel might become modular, letting you resize or hide sections entirely, giving you control over layout like never before. On privacy and security, Samsung seems intent on redefining the balance between automation and control. New permission tiers, real-time access logs, and a sandboxed app mode are among the features under discussion. One intriguing concept is a privacy display that dims portions of the screen at oblique viewing angles, helping protect sensitive info from prying eyes. Another is a capability to isolate suspect apps, limiting their access to personal data dynamically. What about performance? With Android 17 likely serving as the foundation, One UI 9 might introduce smarter memory management, GPU scheduling gains, and more aggressive background task culling. A battery adaptation engine could learn your habits and throttle or prioritize services on its own. This is not just about speed, it's about longevity, even as devices age. Let's talk device eligibility. Samsung has made its update policies more ambitious in recent years, and it's likely One UI 9 will follow the trend. Flagship devices, think Galaxy S series, including upcoming S25 or S26 models, will certainly be first. Like the Z Fold and Z Flip lineups are also safe bets, potentially shipping with 9.0 out of the box. Tablets, especially the Tab S series, should get a seat at the table too. Mid-range A-series devices may be included depending on hardware and region, especially if they support the necessary AI accelerators. As for timing, Samsung's typical cadence submit to late 2026 launch, perhaps alongside next-gen foldables. But insiders hint the beta program might begin as early as late 2025 for select devices. If that's true, lucky users could get a taste of the new features months ahead of public rollout. One UI 9 may also be pivotal in unifying Samsung's ecosystem. Seamless feature handovers between phone, tablet, and maybe even PC, synchronized AI settings, and a shared interface philosophy across devices could be the goal. Imagine starting a draft on your phone, then finishing it instantly on your tablet, with all your AI assist features intact. Of course, leaks are just leaks. Not every rumored feature will survive final testing. Samsung often experiments with ideas internally and shelves or reworks them along the way. But even trimmed down, One UI 9 has the potential to reset expectations for what a smartphone interface can do. If everything pans out, owning a Galaxy won't just mean having a powerful device. It might feel like having a thoughtful partner. Your phone could become more anticipatory than reactive, more personal than generic. So here's what to watch for next: leaks around upcoming beta builds, firmware hints and minor updates, and Samsung's own developer announcements in the months ahead. We'll be here to break each leak down, assess credibility, and bring you what's real versus hype. If you enjoyed this deep dive into One UI 9, smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Insights for more leaks, previews, and tech breakdowns every week. Let me know in the comments, which rumored feature are you most excited about? Dynamic wallpapers, advanced AI, modular quick panels. What should Samsung prioritize? Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and keep pushing the boundaries of what your tech can do.